Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here, fill in the blanks. Dash is left over when you subtract sum of 621.73 and 37.4 from 695.12. So we have to perform this subtraction 695.12 minus sum of 621.73 plus 37.04. So let's see. Let's first perform the addition. 621.73 plus 37.04. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, decimal point, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 6 plus 0 is 6. So we get this equal to 695.12 minus 658.77. Now we have to perform this subtraction. 695.12 minus 658.77 is 2 2 minus 7 cannot be done, so 12 minus 7 is 5. This is 0. 0 minus 7 cannot be done, so 10 minus 7 is 3. This is 4. 4 minus 8 cannot be done, so 14 minus 8 is 6, decimal point over here. This becomes 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are left with 36.35. So 36.35 is left over after all these operations. This is the answer.